Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Stealth Writer. So that is a useful tool and that uses AI technology. So for example, now let me generate some content. So now let me copy this content and here I can go and search for Stealth Writer, and this is the official website. Here we can go scroll down and add the content. Click here, check for all, and then here we can complete this one. Then scroll down. Now here you can see content is AI generated. Now let's go and click on Humanize. Now here you can see we got this result. So now content is humanized. In this way you can easily use this tool, and here you can go and check the plans and pricing.